Hello, my name is Jacky and today I'm going to show you how to make cheese muffins. For this recipe you will need 2 cups of cheese, 2 cups of cake flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of milk and 2 large eggs. 2 cups of cheese, 2 cups of cake flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of milk and 2 large eggs. Before mixing the ingredients, let me preheat the oven with 200 degrees Celsius. The first step is I'm going to mix the 2 cups of milk with the 2 eggs together. Step 2, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients into a bowl and then mix it with my wet ingredients. I already prepared my pan with the cooking spray, but you can also use butter. And after preparing my pan, I'm going to put my mixture into the pan. After filling the pan, I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. This is what you can expect after 25 minutes of baking. Thank you for watching this episode. Please remember to subscribe on my YouTube link.